Hello, good morning everyone, and welcome once again to Sharif Technologies YouTube channel. As you all know what we're doing here, today's video
Sharif Technologies.
This iPhone 6, is it 6S or no, it is 6. This is iPhone 6. Those of you using this phone, you will see that you are no longer your device is no longer supporting WhatsApp, or I don't know if WhatsApp is the one not supporting your device. Either way, I have the solution here. So this is an iPhone 6, that's the model, and then the latest version of iPhone 6 is 12.5.7, and WhatsApp no longer support this version or lower, and it requires this phone to upgrade or to be updated to the iOS 15.1 or later to be able to use WhatsApp. If you face this challenge, don't worry. Today I'll solve it for you. So all what you need to do is just go to your phone settings and then go to general, then come to date and time. Okay, then you turn off this set automatically, then you change your date to this update, or this thing was updated. I don't know the actual date, but it was around May 2025. So just change it to somewhere February or somewhere January 2025, and then you go back and refresh your WhatsApp. And okay, this is just go back and then refresh your WhatsApp, and you will see that it will work perfectly. You will be able, now you can see, you will be able to use WhatsApp on your iPhone 6 that most people think you guys cannot use WhatsApp. Just let me turn on my listing. So